Remind you, a stave consists of line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space, line. The notes on the 5 lines when there's the treble clef, which are all the notes above middle C, are as follows: E, G, B, D, F. And the notes of the spaces are as follows: F, A, C, E. They spell the word face. Whereas the notes on the line can form a sentence such as, "Every good boy deserves football." For the bass clef, the notes on the lines are as follows: G, B, D, F, A. That's like great big dogs from Australia or America or something. And the spaces are A, C, E, G. All cows eat grass. Now, if one wants to have notes beyond the stave, there's one in a space on top, then beyond that one needs to add an extra line, or an extra 2 lines, or an extra 3 lines, however many are needed. Notice when one has 3 lines, for example, and goes down 1 note, it loses the 3rd line. These extra lines are called ledger lines and can occur below the stave, like that, as well as above the stave. 2 lines, 3 lines. Of course, go back to that note, and there are only 2 ledger lines. The note 1 ledger line below the treble clef is the same as the note 1 ledger line above the bass clef, which is middle C. Therefore, those 2 notes are B, those 2 notes are A, and those G, all below middle C. Exactly equivalent pitches. And these are the few notes above middle C. That's D, that's E, and that's F. These are the notes immediately above the treble clef, G, A, B, C, D. And notice that the ledger lines are the same distance from the top line as the other lines of the stave are from each other. Here, those 2 are the same distance apart, and so on. And those are the notes immediately below the bass clef, F, E, D, C, B. This then in the treble clef with 2 ledger lines is C with a sharp. This here in the bass clef with 1 ledger line and the notes under the ledger line is D. This then under the 1st ledger line in the treble clef is B. This one in the bass clef, 2 ledger lines above the stave, and it's a flat, is E flat, and so on.